Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'm bringing to you guys a quick Dollar Tree haul. I just stopped at Dollar Tree and I am wearing my glasses today, so unfortunately I get that like reflection from the window, so sorry about that. But I just honestly have not had time to change into my contact lenses today. It was a very busy day, and it's also a very gloomy, rainy day, so it is a little bit dark in here, and my lighting is like way over there, and I'm just trying to hurry up and film this video before my husband gets home because I want to put this stuff up so I can start dinner. So it is a little bit dim in this video. I do apologize about that. It's a little bit dim, but I'm gonna see if I can mess with the brightness in iMovie and see if I can brighten it up a little bit. So let's dive right in. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up this week, and I don't know, I just decided to stop at the Dollar Tree and see what I could pick up. One thing I did see in there that I did not pick up was these really cool like Lego type kits. They weren't Lego brand, but they were like a Lego kit where you could build like a little chair with a little person sitting, a little table, and an umbrella. Kind of like those Lego kits that you see that kids just love. And I really honestly love Legos, so I was kind of thinking about getting one and just having some fun with it. You guys know I don't have any kids yet, so I do enjoy playing with Legos. But anyways, let's dive in. So amongst the Valentine's stuff, I picked up this Blooming Love scented candle. It smells amazing. I love how they have these little tops, look like a little coffee cup, which is really cute. This one smells really good. A little bit floral, but fresh. I'm not sure if they're really going to smell when I actually burn them, so that is to be determined, but still really cute. Can always use another little candle around. Also found this, and it was kind of just thrown somewhere, so I was looking to see if I could find some more, but I didn't see any. This is from the Peel people, and this is Everywhere Safe, Always Removable decals. And this says Be Wild and Free, and it does say dishwasher safe. Great for mugs, bottles, walls, devices, and more. So that's what that looks like. Really cute. So I was thinking about putting these on some mugs or some like travel cups that I have that don't have anything on them. These are really cute. I really hope they don't come off in the dishwasher like it says. I guess we'll see. But yeah, I went ahead and picked that up. And then I also picked up one of these little colander and bowl sets. This was something new in the cooking section. So it's a bowl and also a little colander. It's like a little two-piece set. It's a very small colander, but it is kind of thick and sturdy, and it does have a little stand. I don't think you can put this in the dishwasher or anything, but what I got it for was when I'm like cooking and I have like canned vegetables or something else in a can or something that I need to rinse off, or frozen vegetables. This is going to be really good for that. It's little enough where I don't have to use my big colander for that, and then I can just pour it out in this little bowl or whatever. Like I said, it's not dishwasher safe, so you do have to make sure you hand wash it, but still for things like that, this is a really good little, very thick and sturdy. I mean, this is a really good and sturdy little colander, so went ahead and picked up that. Also, I picked up one of these natural sponges to use in the shower. And I also picked up this 4-pack of these little mini scrapers. I'm painting our new front door that we're going to be putting on, and there's a glass on there, and I wanted to kind of paint around there. I'm worried I'm going to get it on the glass, so this is going to be really good for getting that off if I do. And then also, this was something new I saw at Dollar Tree. This is an oral care kit. It comes with a dental mirror, dental like little pick thing, a tongue cleaner, and a toothbrush. I really only got this for the tongue cleaner because I was just needing one, and it's only $1, whereas if you go to like the store, it's about, I don't know, like almost $4 or $5 for a little tongue cleaner at Walmart. That's kind of ridiculous. So I just went ahead and picked up one of these little oral care kits. But if you don't already have like a dental pick and a dental mirror and stuff like that, really good little deal there on that. And of course the toothbrush, and this is the soft one. So yeah, pick that up. I also picked up one of these bowls of this super meal. This is a really huge little container of the chicken flavor with vegetable medley. We all know these are not super healthy and delicious. They're ramen. They're full of sodium. But I do really like them, and it's just a really big container. So I think I'm going to have this for lunch at work. Also picked up a 4-pack of the fudge stripe cookies. These are good for snacking on. And also picked up some of the honey buns. I love these. Snacks are like my jam at Dollar Tree. Also picked up one of these little Pine Sol. This makes 5 gallons, and this is the lemon fresh scent. This is a little size, but then again, you know, whatever. You don't need a whole lot of it. Now, that pine cleaner from Dollar Tree is pretty good, but I feel like you have to use more of it, whereas Pine Sol you don't have to use quite as much. So I just went ahead and picked up the little Pine Sol, and it'll last for a little while, so that's good enough. And then I also picked up one of these Comet with bleach. This is the lavender fresh scent to use in the bathtub. Another really good cleaning product. And I definitely got a lot of snacks this time around. I got these Popcorner Carnival kettle chips again. These are so good. I love these. They're just really delicious. This flavor is the bomb. So pick some more of those up. And I also picked up a bag of these Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. This is like the pretty deluxe little size that you can usually get for like $1.49 or something like that at the store. Got this for $1, so that's a pretty good deal. Then I also got this Sun-Maid blueberry with Greek yogurt chips cookies. Never seen these in there before, so I thought I'd try them out. And I picked up a can of the Healthy Choice chicken with rice soup. That's really good. Gonna be using that for my lunch. One of these little Nutella with breadsticks to go. These are pretty inexpensive most everywhere you go, but I just have a craving for Nutella, so picked some of those up. And then I also picked up for my hub buns this Haribo Star Mix, and this is like a mix of all their best-selling flavors. So you got your Coke bottles, cherries, gummy bears, some kind of rings, the twin snakes. So pick that up for him because he loves that stuff. And then in my last bag here, I got the blueberry buttermilk pancakes. There's 8 of them in here. You know, I'm not huge on buying food from Dollar Tree. I always read the labels and the ingredients, and this is pretty much very comparable to any of the like Eggo pancakes or whatever you would buy at the grocery. They all have the same stuff in them. Nothing too crazy in here really, so I went ahead and picked these up. I've had them before and they are pretty tasty. And then the last thing I got in here was this Jimmy Dean griddle cake, maple pancakes and sausage little griddle cake. And yeah, that is all I got. So it wasn't a big haul, but it was definitely a productive haul. Not a whole lot of new stuff this week at Dollar Tree, or at least at my Dollar Tree, but I will be on the lookout and I will bring you guys any new stuff I find next week when I go. So definitely be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.